immunotherapy is a type of cancer treatment that harnesses the power of the patient's immune system to fight the cancer, along with a little help from outside sources. But before we get too in-depth, let's take a look at the three main causes of cancer. Notice that each reason has to do with the body's inability to fight the cancer successfully, or its unawareness of the cancer's presence. Encompassed within the category of immunotherapy is a multitude of subcategories, such as monoclonal antibodies, immune checkpoint inhibitors, nonspecific immunotherapies, and CAR T-cell therapy. Today, we are going to focus on the latter, CAR T-cell therapy, also known as adoptive cell transfer. T cells are white blood cells, meaning that they play a very important role in the immune response that destroys foreign cells. Each T cell possesses a receptor specific to one type of antigen. So if the antigen on the cancer cell and the receptor on the T cell do not match, the T cell will not bind to the cancer cell. If the T cell cannot bind to the cancer cell, then it cannot signal the immune system to destroy the cell, and it is left untouched. So if immunotherapy uses the body's immune system to fight cancer, but the immune system can't fight it, then how exactly does CAR T-cell therapy work? The answer to that question is exactly what makes CAR T-cell therapy so unique and groundbreaking. Scientists remove some of the T cells from a person's body by leukapheresis, which separates white blood cells from the rest of the blood. They then alter the genes in the cells and add a man-made chimeric antigen receptor that is unique to the type of cancer the patient has. This receptor allows these CAR T cells to find and bind to the cancer cells. Scientists then grow a bunch of these cells in the lab, but before putting them back into the patient, he or she is often given a weak dose of chemotherapy in order to suppress the immune system's response and allow the CAR T cells to be more effective. After being put back into the patient through an IV, the CAR T cells can attack and fight the cancer, signaling the immune system to kill the cells. But wait, there's more. CAR T-cell therapy is the first ever FDA-approved therapy that used genetic engineering, and it was passed a mere 2.5 months ago. This treatment was approved exclusively for children and young adults with advanced acute lymphoblastic leukemia, and in a clinical trial of 63 patients, 83% achieved remission within 3 months of receiving treatment. Then, only a month after approving the treatment for ALL, the FDA approved a second CAR T-cell therapy for large B-cell lymphomas. This astounding immunotherapy holds immense promise for those undergoing treatment for certain types of cancer. Perhaps we have finally begun to reverse the tide on this devastating disease. That's all for today. Catch me next time on Immunotherapy 101. Thanks for watching.